I'm sitting on the rug, watching the light move across your face. We haven't said a word for 20 minutes, and I don't feel the need to start. I don't feel the need, I don't feel the need. My pulse is usually a mess, running in circles in my chest. But right here it just stops. It finally slows down. I like the way we don't talk. The heavy space feels like a blanket. I don't have to explain myself in the quiet between us. The quiet between us, yeah. In the quiet between us. You are turning a page, so softly I can hear your breath. I used to think I had to be loud to keep someone interested in me, to keep you here. My pulse is usually a mess, running in circles in my chest. But right here it just stops. But right here it just stops. It finally slows down. I like the way we don't talk. The heavy space feels like a blanket. I don't have to explain myself in the quiet between us. The quiet between us, yeah. And the quiet between us. Everyone else wants a performance. They want me to dance for them, but you just let me sit here and be absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. It's the best thing I've ever been. I like the way we don't talk. The heavy space feels like a blanket. I don't have to explain myself in the quiet between us. In the quiet between us, yeah. Just stay right there, don't say a thing. The quiet between us, yeah, the quiet. I checked the tide tonight, folded the map in the door. You think's a lucky break, I call a masterpiece. The engine is purring low, the moon is right on time. Are you ready to go? Yeah, we're acting so crazy, like we didn't see it coming. But every single second was meant to be this way. Whoa, you look so cool right now. Whoa, it's a perfect mistake. I knew that dress would work, the way it moves in the wind. You're laughing at the radio, thinking we just found